हेलो एंड वेलकम टू सिया ब्लॉग्स। आज सुबह मेरे घर पे पैकेज आया था, तो मैं उसका अनबॉक्सिंग कर रहा हूँ। आपने वैसे तो टाइटल में देख ही लिया होगा किस चीज़ का अनबॉक्सिंग है। तो ये नॉइस प्ले व्लॉग एडिशन कैमरा का अनबॉक्सिंग कर रहा हूँ, मेरा फर्स्ट व्लॉगिंग कैमरा विच आई ऑर्डर फ्रॉम gonoise.com। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे देता हूँ। लेट्स शो इट। This is the website www.gonoise.com. Feature of the camera, you can pause and watch this. The QR code for the application Android and iOS. The front cover of camera. So here you can see the clear specifications. You have to remove these two tapes, left side and another one is the right side. This carefully. So you have to remove this top from here like this. You have to press this for remove the camera. This is the manual of camera. Here shows all the component. So this is all we get in the box. Let's see all the components one by one. This is the water housing for a camera. It's open like this. बहुत अच्छा बना है इसको. The camera itself, limited edition, awesome looking. The ports, HDM, mic, etc. The screen. the scroll buttons, the front of the camera. This is menu button and select button. mAh battery. Noise provide inbuilt mic as well as external mic, which has a 2.5 jack. The data transferring cable and charging cable. Screw mount. This is handlebar mount. This is flat mount. This is 3M tapes, 2 tapes. This is J mount. This is the microfiber cloth. This is the order of the camera for mount. Let's turn on the camera. So here I am turned off the camera. Bye bye guys. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.